Ooh, man. Whew. What a great way to start freaking 2018, Summer Devil. Man, I know, Mr. Ghosties, I know. What the heck? It just came out of nowhere, too. It's like, we expected it Christmas Day, and it was on Christmas Day, but now this is freaking intense, and it's gonna keep snowing, man. It's just gonna keep going.
What are you two blabbing on about?
Mass, you haven't heard, man? There's a blizzard out there, man. It's snowing like crazy.
Blizzard? Snow?
Snow, a whole crap ton of snow. It's just gonna keep rising. It's like up to like legs right now, and it's just gonna keep getting colder and colder, which means more shoveling in the snow and tense, man. It's in the negatives out there.
Snow? Freaking snow.
Nas, what are you doing? Where are you going?
I'm gonna go and hang out with the clown in the underworld. Not staying here. That was a blizzard. Peace out.
That was strange. Why did Nas suddenly leave the moment we mentioned the blizzard? I don't know. Why is the... Of course. He's always mentioned it. He always said it. Nosferatu hates the cold. He hates winter. He always said he was weak to it. Maybe that's why he's going to the underworld with Philly the Clown. He wants nothing to do with it. Well, we're not gonna see him for a while. I think. Maybe he'll come back. I don't know.
Hey people, it is freaking Random Clown. And people, it's a freaking blizzard out there. Like, my gosh, it just keeps snowing and snowing. Like, it's gotten so bad. It's even snowing up in Florida and all those tropical places. Even that wow. Wish I was still in Florida to see that. That is intense. Like, this blizzard. People stay indoors. If it's snowing where you're at, stay indoors, because it's going to get even crazier out there. I went out there to show some freaking snow, and it was freaking intense. Like, I was practically swimming in the snow, how deep it was. Like, it was intense. So anyway, people, I kind of want to talk to you guys about something. This is ridiculous. Now, in my 2018 New Year's Day video, I said, it's January, you know what that means? Zombie month, and to be honest, I don't even know where I got it from. Alright, we don't even have a zombie month. I made a freaking mistake again, and I'm sorry. There is no zombie month for January. I don't know what I was thinking about. There never was, and like, I don't know. So I apologize for that. There are no events for January. Maybe February. Obviously March and April, maybe, or May. And so it's been summer 2018. But yeah, my apologies. There is no zombie month for January. I don't know why I said it. I really don't know. Maybe because it was one of the things I was thinking about doing. But no, that's not happening. So my apologies. Once again, we're going to do regular videos for the month of January. Maybe we'll have an event for February. So that's pretty much it. Yeah. Another thing. Down below, go to the White Rabbit channel. Subscribe, people. The White Rabbit is back. The White Rabbit is going to do more stuff for 2018. He wasn't there that much for 2017. You know, mostly because I didn't have any ideas for the channel at the time. But now that it's 2018, there are lots of plans for the White Rabbit, including his 1 year anniversary this month. Yes, the White Rabbit becomes 1 year old this month. January 18th is when it becomes 1. So everyone, please check out the channel, subscribe to the White Rabbit. You'll be glad you did. The White Rabbit, you know, obviously, you know, Silver Spine is the one making the channel and stuff. So check out White Rabbit. His stuff is good. Subscribe and you will enjoy stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it, people. So sorry about that again. There is no zombie month. I don't know why I said that. I guess the excitement of 2018 got the best of me. But so yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in the next video. And Nosferatu's gone, and I don't know if it's gonna come back. So yeah. Well, goodbye.